Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. Make sure you check out my next beat tape I'm going to drop on all music streaming apps, so you can stream on Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube, everywhere. I've dropped the link on description down below, so if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and be advised to check some of my shots. And yeah man, without wasting time, let me show you how I made this drill beat in FL Studio Mobile. Yeah man, that's it.